Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Hope you're well. Fantastic new arrival for you today. This comes in the form of the Mercedes Benz GLB. This is a 200 AMG Line Night Edition. It's finished in the mountain grey and it's complemented perfectly with the black Artico leather and Alcantara interior. Believe it or not, the car's only covered 4,682 miles. And it comes in outstanding condition and fantastic specification. Let's have a little look at that now. So in terms of parking aids, we have the front sensors, rear sensors, and also a rear camera. We've got the lovely gloss black 20-inch alloy wheels. There we go, stunning. As you can see, we've got the privacy glass around the back as well. Inside, we've got heated front seats, satellite navigation, speed limiter, Bluetooth connectivity with voice commands, keyless go, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio. Impressively, what we have at the top is an opening panoramic sunroof. Now, the important part of this car is the 7 seats. So what I thought I'd do is I've left one seat up and one seat down, so you get a good idea as to how much boot space you have with the seats up and with the seats down. I've also got the parcel shelf and a cover and everything in there for you. It's been really well looked after. I'll tell you what, let's have a little sneaky peek at that sunroof there. Really do appreciate you watching my video. If you have any questions at all on the car, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions that you may have. We work with a panel of lenders for any of your financial requirements, and we also work with Warranty-Wise for any extended warranty needs as well. Thank you again for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon.